Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one website you can claim for different currency with one website, and you can easily earn and easily you can withdraw your funds. Okay, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my videos until end. Okay, this is the website name is Multicoin Ads. Just watching advertisement. This is for different currency. You can claim it and instantly claim your different currency. Okay, this website link available in description. Click register now and you can put your email, password, confirm password, and solve the captcha. You can be registered in this account. Okay, I have account already. Just I log in my account. Okay, and right now I show you the very best way to earn this for cryptocurrency without any wasting time. Okay, right now you can see I have a coins. This is Litecoin, Ethereum. I have this much, and Bitcoin Cash this much, and BTC is not available right now. I didn't make a faucet for BTC. Okay, the first one to you earn this Multicoin Faucet. Just click the Multicoin Faucet, and the first one you can earn, just click, and this will be easy. Every 5 minutes you can come here and claim this Multicoin Faucet. Okay, you can claim any of the coin you want. Okay, if you claim a BTC, 1 BTC pay you 60 Ethereum, 380 Litecoin. For now it's a claim you can double it. Okay, right now this website pay you double. Okay, fast come here and join and start. Okay, right now I want to claim BTC for now. Just solve this little captcha. This is very easy. Just solve it like this and solve this captcha too. Okay, and you can just click claim. You can claim your reward. Okay, just I solve, just I click. They pay me my Bitcoin. Okay, this is very easy. This is very fun way to do this. Okay, I go to dashboard to show you this website pay me or not. This was it. Okay, you can see 100 Satoshi pay me. This website double it. Okay, and you can go to back multiple and you can claim another crypto right now without any wasting time. This is very wonderful. You can claim unlimited and you can claim all time. Okay, right now I want to claim Ethereum. You can see the Bitcoin wait for 4 minutes and 34 seconds. Okay, and right now I want to claim the Ethereum. This is very wonderful. Okay, you can claim all the faucet in just few seconds, and you can earn, and you can come back and every 5 minutes you can claim all this 5. Okay, all this for cryptocurrency. Right now I claim this one and I want to claim Litecoin. Okay, this too is going to counting down. Okay, and Litecoin. Okay, I solve the captcha. This is very easy. This is the easy way you can claim your faucet, and you never earn like this before. I never make video like this before, and you can earn much more from this trick and from this website. Okay, and right now the last one is Bitcoin Cash. You can see I just manually I claim all of the faucet in the same time. After finishing one of those, then next one, and then the last one for coin, I can just solve it and I can claim it. Okay, I show you another best way you can earn. Okay, I earn all of the 4. Okay, right now nothing is available because all of this need a time. I go to dashboard to show you my account, how much I earn. This is very wonderful to pay you much more. Okay, I earned this much Litecoin, this much Ethereum, this much Bitcoin Cash, this much BTC. Okay, The next one, you can earn the Ptc Ads. This is another wonderful way. You can watch all of the ads with different currency. If you want to watch this at one time with Bitcoin, you can watch, and next time with Ethereum, next time with Litecoin, next time with Bitcoin Cash. Okay, you can watch with all of the different currency, and all of the different currency you can earn. Okay, just click view, and the timer is every 10 seconds you can counting down, and you can watch and you can earn. Okay, right now is 3, 2, 1, and solve capture, and you can verify, and they pay you your Litecoin. This is wonderful. Join this website very fast. The website link is available in the description. You can just click and come here, just put your email, password, and confirm password, and you can join this website very soon. Okay, because you can earn much more from this website. You can see every 10 seconds you can watch a fancy ads, and just watch a website like this, and solve a capture. They pay you. This is very easy. Okay. Okay, now you can see I watch all the Ptc ads, and I go to my dashboard, and right now this much Ptc I earn. And you can watch the Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Litecoin Faucet too, and you can earn much more. And in the withdrawal, I want to talk about the withdrawal. This is the withdrawal, and you can withdraw. This is the minimum withdrawal of Litecoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and Bitcoin. The Litecoin is very easy to earn this much, and you can withdraw to Faucet Pay, and any wallet address you can check to request, and you can withdraw. Okay, this Ethereum will be linked with Faucet Pay. This with Ethereum is withdraw to Faucet Pay. Okay, and you can earn very soon, and watch all these ads, and you can earn much more. Right now I want to watch all of these ads, and I share how much I earn. Okay, and just I pause the video and watch all of these ads. The Litecoin ads is very high payment, and you can watch all of the Litecoin ads. Okay, I pause the video. After a few seconds I come back and show you how much I earn. Okay. Okay guys, now you can see I just watch all the ads, and I go to dashboard again to show you how much I earn. Just I watch the all advertisement. Okay, this is the all I earn. Okay, the BTC is this much, the Bitcoin Cash, the Ethereum, the Litecoin is much more higher, and now I can claim again. And this website is very easy. After 1 day you can maybe receive your payment if you work honestly. And I share with you the trick to sometimes I use with a lot of website. That trick will be work. If the trick work in this website, I share with you the trick, and if this trick didn't work, I didn't share with you. Okay, and see you to next video guys, and thanks for watching. This website link available in description. You can see how it's easy to earn for cryptocurrency in just one website. Okay, please subscribe to my channel and watch my videos, and bye bye for now. This website link available in description. Bye bye.